Hi everyone, it's Howard from Oris, and today we're back with another unboxing video. We're taking a closer look at the largest gaming monitor in the world, the GIGABYTE S55U monitor. This gaming monitor has a 55-inch UHD quantum dot display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 2 millisecond G2G response time. Quantum dot technology allows for better pictures and better colors, and full array local dimming allows for higher contrast and screen brightness. The S55U is the perfect monitor for entertainment. It produces great colors with 10-bit color, 96% DCI-P3, 140% sRGB color gamut for you to enjoy your favorite movies and shows. This monitor is slightly different from our other big gaming monitors like the FO48U and the FV43U because it also doubles as a home entertainment monitor with built-in apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Chromecast for streaming, and has immersive sound with Dolby Atmos. Let's take a look at the remote for this monitor. It's different from other remotes because it has dedicated entertainment feature buttons. As you can see, it has buttons for Google Assistant and all the streaming apps as well. Before we continue, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Now back to the S55U. Now you may be thinking, why are we calling this a monitor? Isn't this just a TV? Well, the reason why the S55U is a monitor is because it has built-in gaming features that a regular TV wouldn't have. For you gamers out there, the S55U has HDMI 2.1, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision IQ. HDMI 2.1 is ideal for 4K gaming at 120Hz and allows for features like variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode, which helps gaming to be more immersive. With this monitor, you can play all of your games at 4K resolution and utilize the gaming features that GIGABYTE is known for, such as aim stabilizer, black equalizer, game assist, utilize the dashboard, and more. It also has HDMI CEC, which means the monitor will turn on when you turn on your console. If you look at the back of the monitor, the S55U is going to offer a lot of different options. Taking a closer look, we have two HDMI 2.0 ports, two HDMI 2.1 ports, one of them supports eARC. We have USB 3.0 in the back, USB 2.0 port as well, and a headphone jack. It also comes with an optical fiber Ethernet port, serial and service ports, and keep in mind this monitor supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. The S55U might be an overkill gaming monitor, one that pushes the boundaries between what is a monitor and what is a TV. But if you want an all-in-one home entertainment system that can offer high-quality console gaming, this monitor might be the one for you. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the S55U gaming monitor. If you're interested in learning more about this monitor, be sure to check the link in the description. I also want to remind you guys to please like the video and leave a comment down below on what's your favorite feature on the S55U. To watch our other unboxing videos, be sure to click here, and we'll be back on Thursdays with a new unboxing video for you guys. Once again guys, this is Howard from Oris. Team up and fight on.